In this video, let's perform the water test and find out about what may or may not happen to your Realme 3 in case of water accidents. As you might have realized by now that budget phones are never provided with water resistance like IP68, so never consider putting them underwater. On doing so, you will end up with a permanently damaged unit. Continuing with the water test, let's first check the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass protection. Some Oppo and Vivo phones and every Realme device tested on the channel totally lack this oleophobic layer, and it's also the same story with the Realme 3 as well. Besides these, every phone does have this oleophobic layer, which helps in less fingerprint smudges and aids the water to roll off instead of sticking to the glass surface. The most common effect of water on these non-water resistant devices is low and distorted sound through the external speakers. This can last from a few seconds to many hours depending on the device and may permanently damage the audio and a display unit. It's usually also a bad sign that other internal damage may be taking place and the device should be kept out to dry immediately. Other than that, there have been instances of screen flickering issues, or the screen going blank for many hours, or the display getting damaged in the Asus Zenfone 5Z due to water seepage issues. So will the Realme 3 reach the heavy drenching round and be able to handle all the water abuse? Let's find out. The Realme 3 has performed similar to that of the Realme 1 in its water test, in the sense that it behaves like an IP54 rated splash resistant device. The Realme 3, even though not provided with any water resistance, passes my water test.